How many of you go shopping and you go to purchase an article of clothing and you look at the price and then you go into the changing room and then you try it on and you go, yep, that works, that fits good. How long does it take you once the price is right and once that you try it on and you look, how long does it take you to make a decision that you're going to get it? Instantly. Okay, good. Then you take your next article of clothing, you already know the price is okay because it wouldn't even made it inside the clothing in the changing room if you didn't, and then all of a sudden you put it on, this feels pretty good, and well, I didn't see that bump before. How long does it take you to say no to that piece of clothing? Second. But in both situations, what did you have to do to even be able to make an honest, real choice? Try it on. That's it. Try it on. So we as human beings sabotage our own joy and happiness because we want to focus on being safe. How many of you don't like change? Raise your hand. Okay, got it. Because you want to be safe. How many of you love change? How many of you one time were getting divorced, didn't love change, and now you're dating the person you're supposed to be with, and you love change? Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Right? So my invitation to you is in the next half hour, I invite you to try on some ideas that are not yours. I know it's crazy. Like, how many of you have opinions? Good. How many of you have opinions and you know your opinions are right? Now, have you ever met another human being with different opinions? And they have the audacity and the nerve to think that they're right. And you know what? It's so silly because being right and being wrong is one of the worst mechanisms that exists in the human mind that never helps.